Now question number 9. Question number 9 is, what is there? Observe there. Data of x, y, z, x square, y square, z square, yz, zx, xy is equal to, we have to prove x minus y minus z, z minus x into xy plus yz plus zx. We have to prove. Here, simple logic. X minus y minus z is there now. That's why R1 gives rise to R1 minus R2. R2 gives rise to R2 minus R3. Then what you are going to get? Observe the data of x minus y minus z and z. X square minus y square minus z square and yz minus zx minus xy and xy. Now here this is x minus y minus z and z, and you can expand this one, x plus y into x minus y plus z into y minus z and z square, and you can expand this one. That means if you are taken common minus z, you are going to get x minus y. Here minus x, if you are taken common, y minus z and xy as it is. Now what you can take common? X minus y, x minus y, x minus y, y minus z, y minus z, y. That is taking common. What is it taking common? X minus y from R1, y minus z from R2. Now what you are going to get? Observe there, x minus y into y minus z into data of, what is there? 1 z, x plus y plus z, z square minus z minus x, xy. Again here you can go for one more operation, that is R2 gives rise to R2 minus R1. Then that is, what is there? X minus y minus z into first column, first row as it is, 1 x plus y and minus z, and here what you are going to get? 1 minus 1, and here y plus z minus x minus y and minus x plus z, and third row as it is, z square and this is xy. Now here observe there, what you are going to get? Here we are going to get x minus y minus z into 1 0 z, x plus y minus z, and this minus y plus y gets cancelled, z minus x, and here z minus x, z square and xy. Now what you can take common? Taking common z minus x from R2. Then what you are going to get? This one is x minus y minus z into z minus x into data of 1 0 z, x plus y 1 z square minus z, z minus x, you have taken z minus x now, 1 and xy. Now here further also you can go for that one for our convenience. C2 gives rise to C2 minus C3. Then what you are going to get, observe there, x minus y, y minus z, z minus x into data of 1, 0, z, x plus y, minus into minus plus z, 1 minus 1, 0, z square minus xy, and this is minus z, 1 xy. Now this is plus minus minus plus minus, expanding with row 2. Then what you are going to get, x minus y into y minus z into z minus x into minus 0 plus 0 minus 1 into, removing that row and column, what you are going to get, 1 into x plus y plus z, and this is z, okay, into z square minus xy, and expand this one. If you are expanded that one, what you are going to get here, x minus y, y minus z into z minus x into minus of, what is there, observe there, minus of, minus 1, no, minus of z square minus xy, z square minus xy minus this z into x, no, that is zx minus yz minus z square. Now this what you are going to get, this z square and z square gets cancelled, and taking minus common, minus to minus plus, then you are going to get x minus y, y minus z, z minus x into xy plus yz plus zx. You have taken common minus here, minus to minus plus. Now problem number 10th main first problem. What is the 10th main first problem is, prove that x plus 4, 2x, 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 x plus 4, 2x, 2x, x plus 4 is equal to 5x plus 4 into 4 minus x whole square. Okay, now by seeing this one, x, 2x, 2x, x plus 2x plus 2x, 4x plus x, 5x plus 4, you are getting 2x plus 2x, 4x plus x. But when both operations are possible, I preferable for the column. Why? Because the problem, if you are taking row, the problem wide become, the problem become wide. Now I am going for C1 gives rise to C1 plus C2 plus C3. Then what you are going to get, x plus 4 plus 2x plus 2x, 2x plus x plus 4 plus 2x, 2x plus 2x plus x plus 4. Remaining columns as it is, 2x, 2x, x plus 4, 2x, 2x, x plus 4. Now here this is becomes 5x plus 4, 5x plus 4, 5x plus 4, and this is 2x, x plus 4, 2x, 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 x plus 4. Now taking common 5x plus 4 from C1, then what you are going to get, 5x plus 4 into, this becomes 1, 1, 1, this is 2x, x plus 4, 2x, 2x, x plus 4, this is, sorry, 2x, 2x, and this is x plus 4 as it is. Now here this is the 1, this is the 1, you can subtract, this is the 2x and this is the 2x, and this is 2x, this is 2x. Go for the row operation now. Now what is the row operation? Observe there. Now here I am going for R1, here R1, R2 gives rise to R2 minus R1, R3 gives rise to R3 minus R1. Then what you are going to get, observe there, 5x plus 4 into 1, 2x, 2x, that much only. Now first row is as 1, 2x, 2x, and this is 0. Next one is, actually this is x plus 4 minus 2x, and this is 2x minus 2x. This is 1 minus 1 0, and this is 2x minus 2x, and this is x plus 4 minus 2x. Now what you are going to get, this one is the 5x plus 4 into 1 0 0 2x, this is 2x, this is 4 minus x 0 0 4 minus x. Again it becomes triangular matrix. Observe there. Now what is the product of the elements of principal diagonal? 1 into 4 minus x into 4 minus x. Therefore 5x minus 4 into 4 minus x whole square is equal to RHS. Hence proved. In that one only second bit. What is the second bit? Observe there. What they are asked? Prove that y plus k y plus k y plus k is equal to k square into 3y plus k. Now observe that, simple. Again 3y plus k. Again I am going for same thing. C1 gives rise to C1 plus C2 plus C3. Then what we are going to get? Y plus 3y plus k, 3y plus k, 3y plus k, and remaining is y plus k, y plus k. Now here taking common 3y plus k from C1. Then what you are going to get? Observe there. Then what we are going to get here? Here we are getting 3y plus k into 1 and remaining is what you are going to get? y plus k, y plus k. Again go for the same operation. R2 gives rise to R2 minus R1. R3 gives rise to R3 minus R1. Then what you are going to get? 3y plus k into here data of what you are going to get? 1 y 1 minus 1 0 y plus k minus y, that was k 0 0 0 k. Again it becomes the triangular matrix. Observe there. What is the product of the principal diagonals? 1 into k, that is 3y plus k into 1 into k, that is nothing but k square into 3y plus k. Hence proved. Now 11th main first question. What is the 11th main first question? Prove that det of x plus y plus 2z xy, here z and here y plus z plus 2x y and x z plus x plus here 2y is equal to what you have to prove? 2 into x plus y plus z whole cube we have to prove. This is the second question of the 11th main. I'll go back for one question later. Now here observe there, x y is there. If you are added, c1 gives rise to c1 plus c2 plus c3. If you go, what you are going to get? Det of x plus y plus z plus x plus y, z plus y plus z plus 2x and z plus x plus z plus x plus 2y, and remaining as it is x y plus z plus 2x y x z plus x plus 2y. Now in the first column observe there, x plus x 2x, y plus y 2y. Similarly you are going to get, you can write that one is 2x plus 2y plus 2z. That means you can take common 2 in that one. If you have taken common 2 in that one, what you are going to get? Observe there, 2 into x plus y plus z, 2 into x plus y plus z, 2 into x plus y plus z, and remaining is as it is, that is x y plus z plus 2x and x y z plus x plus 2y. That means now here what you can take common? You can take common 2 into x plus y plus z. If I have taken common, I am going to get 1 x y plus z plus 2x x, y y, z plus x plus 2y. Again go for the same operation. R2 gives rise to R2 minus R1. Why? Because here that is y is there. Here x is there now. R3 gives rise to R3 minus R1. Then what you are going to get? 2 into x plus y plus z into 1x y, and this is 1 x plus y plus z and 0. This is 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0, x minus x 0. This is x plus y plus z. Again it became the triangular matrix. Therefore what you are going to get? This is 2 into x plus y plus z into 1 into x plus yz into x plus yz, x plus y plus z whole square. Finally you got this is 2 into x plus y plus z whole cube. Hence proved. Here we will come to the first problem. In that one, what is the first problem? They are given data of a minus b minus c, 2b 2c, 2a 2a, this is b minus c minus a, and this is c minus a minus b is equal to what you have to prove? A plus b plus c whole cube you have to prove. Okay, we will prove a cube. But observe there, here minus b is there plus 2b, minus b plus 2b plus b, minus c is there, minus c plus 2c, c. That means what you have to write the operation? We have to go for the operation. R1 gives rise to R1 plus R2 plus R3. If you go for this operation, what we are going to get? Observe there. Here what you are going to get? Row 1 is a minus b plus 2b plus 2c, and 2a plus b minus a minus c minus a plus 2c, and 2a plus 2b plus c minus b minus a. Here what is there? 2b, and this is c minus a minus b. Now what you are going to get? Observe the row 1 is a plus b plus c, 2b 2c, a plus b plus c, b minus c minus a minus 2c plus 2c, sorry. Now this is a plus b plus c, 2b and c minus a minus b. Now what you can take common? You can take common a plus b plus c from R1. Then what you are going to get? This one is data of, this is a plus b plus c into 1 1 1, and this is 2b 2c, b minus c 2c, and 2b c minus a minus b. Now again here 2b is there, 2c is there. That's why here c2 gives rise to c2 minus c1, c3 gives rise to c3 minus c1. Then what you are going to get? This is a plus b plus c into data of 1 2b 2c, 1 minus 1 b plus c, b minus c minus a minus 2b, and 2c minus 2c, and this is 1 minus 1 2b minus 2b, c minus a minus b minus 2c. Now here what you are going to get? Here that is a plus b plus c to data of 1 2b 2c 0, and here minus c minus a, my 2b minus 2b minus b. Now that's why I am taking minus common. If I taken common, minus a plus b plus c and 0, and this is 0 0 minus a minus b, c minus 2c minus a. Here also I am taken common, minus of a plus b plus c. Again this become lower triangular matrix. Observe there. Then again what you know? Product of the elements of the principal diagonal, 1 into minus plus a plus b plus c into a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c whole square. Therefore a plus b plus c into a plus b plus c whole square, that is nothing but a plus b plus c whole cube. Hence proved.